Okay. Well, hello. We are starting for our second gaming video thing. And so I decided to play Snake, as in the title says. Well, the title of whatever's at the top.
And this is a member game.
Yeah. And you only have to have it. Well, you have to have a snake, and you have to be a member.
Mm-hmm.
So we thought that I could play it till the end of the video, and then I thought I could record on Panda Wolf's tablet, and Panda Wolf could play it.
Mm-hmm.
She had no idea about that. I just made that up. But anyways, yeah. So, wanna? Panda Wolf?
Sure. How do you play?
Use the arrow keys.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and one video that I know that I think I'm gonna be doing is a how-to video on how to do things. I really hope my cat does not jump on me. Or get up in my window. Oh, well, I died. Okay, so
you got pretty long.
yeah, we're gonna pause and then we're gonna switch. Okay, so be back. Okay, we're back. I taught Panda Wolf how to play this game, so just click yes. Yeah, and then you try and get the mice. Let's see how long you can last. Here, you can try again. Just click yes. You can try until the video runs out, basically. Fun game, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it does look really fuzzy.
Mm-hmm. I'm just hoping all the people who like to watch my videos, can see it.
Good try. I'm gonna pause your screen because we're gonna switch out. So can you pause mine?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, pause. We are back, and now I am playing, which I is Rocky 15099, and Panda Wolf's recording on Panda Wolf's screen. Oh, well that didn't work.
Whoops.
I was trying to itch my face at the same time, but it didn't work out. When I die a second time, we can switch out again. I kind of like this switching out idea. It's fun.
Mm-hmm. Should we switch out or should we go to a different game?
You want to switch out and go to a different game? Like
sure.
We go to a different game, and every time another one dies, we switch out?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess that's the plan.
Yeah, because I don't want people to get too bored of Snake. It's really fun, though. I wish I was a member, which I'm not yet.
Yeah, you should really get a membership if you try.
I know, but my mom won't let me. But I'm going to force her. You're getting longer.
That was loud.
Wonder what that was.
It's probably the new tread bullet. Oh, that was close.
That was, well, you got pretty long.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, we've started again. We decided to play disc toss.
Yep.
And this is a member game too.
Yes. Hey, you didn't jump. Oh, yeah.
Did you click it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, doing good. And my cat just came up on the bed.
Pet cat.
Sorry, people, I'm a bad filmer. I'm going to try and zoom it out a little bit. That helps.
Doing pretty good. No. I jinxed myself.
Yeah, you got one more left. Oh, I'm sorry. I was getting in the screen. Gets harder and harder. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it, Panda Wolf? Feel the burn.
No.
Oh, my cat.
No. Missed it.
Ah,
Distracted.
he died.
It's your fault, Nurse King.
Okay.
Time to
Go
switch out.
pause. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, we're back, and now I am gonna play it. Last time I did this game, it was really bad. Let's see how long I can last.
Yep. First time when I clicked the jump button, I thought I was clicking the bone that said jump, but I actually didn't.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, that's why I missed the first one. Otherwise, I probably would have gotten a bit farther.
I decorated this dog so long ago. I think I'm going to set it free because it looks like it has underwear on its head. It usually does.
Yeah, it sort of is.
Yeah, I don't really like this dog. So I think I'm going to get a new one.
Give it to me.
Sadly, you can't trade pets.
Oh, yeah, darn it.
If I could, I would. Although, good thing I got you a kangaroo.
Mm-hmm. From Jump.
Yeah, because I have the game Jump on my tablet, so.
Let's see how good. Well, how far you can go.
Yeah. Haven't missed one yet, and I've got 44. Oh no. Jinxed myself.
No. It's getting harder, that's why.
Yeah. Wow!
Excellent. Awesome. Great. Awesome.
Excellent. I ran out of time on my video.
Ah.
Oh well. It can keep rolling on yours. So people will have to check it out if they like the video.
You have one more left, I think.
Yes.
Like one more frisbee.
Don't jinx me. It's getting hard.
You're getting farther than I did. No.
I got
Aw.
91.
Nice.
Okay, well, I think that should be the end of the video.
Yep, that's the end.
Bye.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Bye.